Greetings to all everyone. Welcome. I am your EVS teacher Smita Desai. Today we are going to learn our festivals. Tell me different festivals in India. Different festivals in India. Tell me fast. Yes, Diwali, Eid, Holi, Dashera, Christmas. So many festivals are there. Yes, India is the land of the festivals. Festivals helps to spread the love, feeling of togetherness among the people. We have two groups of festivals, religious festivals and the national festivals. First we will see religious festivals. First one, Holi. What is this? Which festival is this? Holi. Holi is the festival of the colors. क्यों होली को कलर्स फेस्टिवल कलर का फेस्टिवल बोलते हैं? टेल मी व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज कलर्स ऑफ फेस्टिवल? टेल मी फास्ट. यस, बिकॉज विदाउट कलर हम होली नहीं सेलिब्रेट कर सकते. सो दैट्स वाई होली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ द कलर्स. इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड फॉर 2 days. The first day is known as Holika Dahan and the second day is known as Dulahandi. Next one is Dashera. Dashera is the festival of the Hindus. It is 10-day festival. Lord Rama's life is characterized in the form of the Ram Leela for 9 nights. On the 10th day, the dummies of the Ravana, his brother Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnad are burned. In West Bengal, it is celebrated as a Durga Puja. Tell me which festival is this? Yes, Diwali. Diwali is one of the important festival of the Hindus. क्यों हम दिवाली मनाते हैं? टेल मी दिवाली हम क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? टेल मी फास्ट. This festival marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Means what? जो हमारे गॉड रामा है, जो भगवान राम है, वो क्या हुए? अयोध्या 14 years के बाद वापस आए. सो दैट्स वाई हम दिवाली मनाते हैं. उसी दिन से हमने क्या किया? दिवाली मनाने के लिए चालू कर दिया. तो क्या हुआ बाद में? दिवाली मनाने के बाद क्या हुआ? पीपल वर्शिप लॉर्ड गणेशा एंड द गॉडेसेस लक्ष्मी ऑल्सो. ओके, क्या हुआ? दिवाली हम क्या क्या करते हैं? दिवाली में पीपल क्लीन एंड पेंट देयर हाउसेस. और क्या हम क्या लगाते हैं? दिया जलाते हैं. ओके, लैंटर्न लगाते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. In West Bengal, people worship the goddesses Kali on this day. Next is, which festival is this? Yes, it is Eid. Eid is an important festival of the Muslims. It is also called Eid ul Fitr. It is celebrated at the end of 1 month fasting in the holy month of the Ramjan. मुस्लिम्स अटेंड द प्रेयर्स एट द मॉस्क. मुस्लिम कहाँ पे जाते हैं मुस्लिम लोग प्रे करने के लिए? यस यस, इन मॉस्क. ऑन ईद मुस्लिम सेलिब्रेट द प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद्स बर्थडे एज ईद ए मिलाद. हम किसका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ईद को? यस, प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद. अनदर ईद इज कॉल्ड एज ईद उल जुहा, मीन्स बकरीद इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑल्सो. Next one is the Christmas. Next festival is, yes, Christmas. Christmas is the main festival of Christians. It is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ on 25th December every year. When we celebrate Christmas, which day? Yes, 25th December every year. People go to the church to after offer the prayers. Okay. Next one is the which festival? It is Guru Purab. Guru Purab, who celebrated the Guru Purab? Whose festival is this? Yes, Sikh. Sikh celebrate the Guru Purab. Guru Nanak Jayanti is also celebrated. Okay, Guru Nanak Jayanti and the Guru Purabs. The full moon day in the month of the Kartik. Guru Nanak Dev was the founder of the Sikh religion. The birthdays of all the 10 Gurus, okay, of the Sikhs are celebrated as the Guru Purab. Next one we see national festival. Okay, now we will see the national festivals. National festivals are the festivals which are celebrated by the whole the nation. Okay, whole nations are celebrated the national festivals. National festivals develop the feeling of the patriotism and respect for our country. Okay, so हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमारे देश का आदर करना चाहिए. So let's learn about the national festival. First we will see the Independence Day. After more than 200 years of the British rule, India finally won back its freedom. India get the freedom, okay? So on 15th August 1947, India got the freedom. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag and addresses the nation from the Red Fort in Delhi. Okay? So when we get freedom, tell me. Yes, 15 August, yes, 1947. Yes, that day we get the freedom from Britishers. Next one is the, which festival is this? Republic Day. Yes, Republic Day, which is celebrated on 26th January every year. Okay, when we celebrate the Republic Day? 26th January. It is one of the India's most important national event. It was on January 26th in 1950 that the Constitution of India came into the force. Every year, the Grand Parade is also held in the capital, New Delhi. Okay. Next one. Identify this person. Who's this person? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, Gandhi Jayanti is a national festival celebrated in India. Okay, to mark the occasion of the birthday of the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi is also called as the father of the nation. Okay, it is celebrated on the 2nd of October every year. When we celebrated the Gandhi Jayanti, when we celebrate, tell me fast. Yes, 2nd of October. Gandhiji was a preacher of the truth and the ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhiji Samadhi is at Rajghat. Okay, understand everyone? Thank you.